Okay, so you should have read example B. There's just one sentence that gives you all the information you need. They give you the slope, and they give you your point. So in this problem, your slope is negative 3/4. So if I was to ask you what does that mean, hopefully you would tell me that you would take a point and go down 3 to the right 4. Now, right beside your slope, I want you to write your point. This is the point that they give you that's on the line that uses this slope. The 8 and the 4 represent your x and your y. So I'm going to write my equation again because I cannot let you guys forget what this means. My y is 4. That comes from the point. My m is the slope. They gave it to us. My x is 8. That also comes from the point. All that's left is the b. So let's solve it. 4 is equal to negative 3/4 times 8 plus b. Now I know some of you guys are fretting over this fraction. You have a choice. This is a simple fraction, which means you have a simple decimal. If you want to take this negative 3/4 and make it to a decimal, that's fine. Don't forget that it's still negative. What I'm going to do is take my whole number and rewrite it as 8/1 because I'm not afraid of fractions. So when I make my 8 as a fraction, I'm going to multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then simplify. So that's my next step. The 4 doesn't move. Negative 3 times negative 8 is negative 24. 4 times 1 is 4. Add my b. Negative 24 divided by 4 reduces to negative 6. I still add my b. So, to solve for b, I got to move the negative 6 over, so I change the sign. The 6's cancel. b is equal to 10. But you're not done because your answer is the equation. So the equation for this line is y equals the slope, which they gave you, times x plus 10. That's the answer that you box. This is the equation of the line that includes this point. And if I wanted to find any other points on that line, I would use my rise over run. Okay? That's example 3b. The next video, I'm going to give you another scenario where you're given another set of given information and how we would still come up with the same equation with another starting point. No pun intended, the point, starting point. They may not have got it.